Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafting Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a hashtag swap and glue. These images came from a day in my world. And what I did here is, there was this photo of this little building. I thought it was cute. And then I had these words, sweet escape. And so I put that there, and I got a little bird feeder up in here. Got some plant hangers. Got this couple, that's me in the future. And then I got some little seating with the fire. Got some plants. Got some chickens. Gotta have my chickens in there. I put the United States flag sticking out a pot of plant right there. Added this right there. I think it turned out really cute because all I can think of some days I want a building like this. It could be cool in the backyard, just chill. Not so much even a craft room, just a space. Just to sit outside, have a little building, on a rainy day. But that's what I did with some of those images she sent. Got little potty plants I stuck here and there. Some flowers. Sweet escape. And all the images came from A Day in My World, which I will link your channel in the description box below. So please go over and give her a shout out if you aren't there already. And that is my layout. It says fresh cut flowers. I got that going here. And then it says welcome friends up on top there. I'm trying to point out the pieces I cut out and put on here. This is a piece I cut out. These. This whole little section was another piece right here. Of course, the chickens, the little flower vase with the little angel, the people. So that is my sweet escape. That is my layout. Hope you guys can see it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said, go check out The Day in My World. Her channel will be listed in the description box below. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a good day. Bye. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be fun, and be crafty. Bye for now.